Alright. Hello everybody. I figured, what better way to celebrate 200 subscribers than with a Saturn. So here it is, my black and chrome Saturn. This is one of two eBay Saturns I recently won from the same listing. The listing was for white and brass, and the seller said she had this available, and I'm like, doink! Let's get to demo mode. Oh, and I should add that I am pulling it in and I have the amp meter hooked up. But I'm going to have to read it upside down. Light at full brightness draws 1.08 amp, 1.6, 1.2, 1.31, 1.72, it's okay. Right now we're looking at 1.43. Top end we're looking at 1.68, 69. This thing looks like it belongs in a retro diner. They didn't exactly nail the stop on this one. That was weird. Yep, light at full brightness, 1.08 of an amp, or 1.08 amps. .19. Shit. .29. .41. Already getting a good breeze from it right up close. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed this because it was a real pain in the ass to put up. It took me all afternoon. .60. .73. The airflow cloud makes it seamy, but really this thing is moving in a lot of air. You just have to be at a distance to feel it. We are drawing. .96. It's rated at .9. So pretty much right on target. Low reverse. Fail. Andrew should be exactly the same, really. Honestly, this thing needs chrome screws. Missed it by that much. Zero to high. Inrush current is 0.77, then it just goes up to 0.96. This ammeter is a little slow. The neighbors fired up their hot tub. Jealous. Oh my God. Stop. Please. Stop. This fan is not so great when you look at it way up close. It's really kind of a 5-footer. Close-ups. Yay. I had trouble with the hatch. And here are the blade brackets. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.